Okay, welcome. In this guide, I just want to show how I worked the bearer from we connected Facebook with Mailchimp. So the first thing we do is just to go onto Mailchimp. It's simple to go into Mailchimp. Just uh, log on to Mailchimp.com, create an account. Our intent is to connect Mailchimp with Facebook. So the first thing we are looking for is to look at the audience. We want to go into the audience. Then there is only one audience segment. So click on that number one. That's one contact there. That is what you are going to click on. Immediately you do that, it's going to list out the list of subscribers. This is just a new email Mailchimp account. So you are going to click on settings. At the top, after overview, manage contacts, settings. Yes, click on settings. Click on audience field and merge. Audience field and merge. So now scroll down. Now the intent here is to delete unneeded tags or labels. That's what we want to do. So you are going to rename. We have the email label. That one is by default available. We want to remove some labels that are not needed here, so that the same labels that we have here is the labels we are going to create on our Facebook lead generation form. Okay, so the first thing we will do is like remove the first name. We turn that to full name, and we'll delete the other labels that are not needed, like last name is not needed. We can delete that. You click on that delete, and once you click on the delete, the delete icon, enter delete, type in capital letter delete. Now click on delete. So we've deleted a field that we don't need. So we have the email, the first name, address, phone number, birthday, and what have you. We only want the email, the full name, and we don't want address also. So we are going to remove or delete the address field. Likewise, we are going to delete the birthday. We are going to delete the birthday. Let's delete first before we change that full name. So delete birthday. Click on delete. I think we are clearing. Okay, so we now have email, full name. It should be full name. Email address, constant K. The full name is important, small letter, and the phone number. Check the phone number icon to be visible. Yes, and we need to save this audience. So the requirement is that we must first of all create the field that we want here, and this is on Mailchimp. So you have to create a Mailchimp email account, and you set the field or audience field in line with the same list of audience field that you want to set for your email, for your Facebook lead generation campaign. So now we are done with this end. We are done with Mailchimp. We are good to go. The next thing is to visit the Facebook. Now when we are looking at Facebook, we want to consider the Facebook, not this normal Facebook page. Yes, we are coming to this page, but we are not accessing this page. We are going through business.facebook.com. Now go back to the main page on business.facebook.com. Now go to more tools. More tools. We want to visit the page from the business end. The difference, it's the same page, mind you, but you now click on view page. It is the same page, but different interfaces. Like this one is dark, or that one is just like blue, but the same thing, the same face. But you would be able to access so many features at the business.facebook.com end. So what we need to do now is to click on, we are looking for publishing tools. So click on more, that more icon, the more tab at the top. We have a page, ad center, inbox, lead center, manage jobs, notification, more. So the interesting aspect of all this is that Facebook is on its own, Mailchimp is on its own, and previously we've been able to connect our Facebook with WhatsApp business. Now we want to connect our Facebook with Mailchimp, which is an email solution. So now you click on publishing tool under more, and under publishing tool you just need to access at the left hand side, scroll down, go to the left hand side, scroll down. Now you will see forms library. Okay, these are the forms that we have created, and we can, in our lead generation, we create form. So these are the forms we have already. We've only created one form. So what we want to do now is called CRM, meaning that we want to connect Facebook form setup. We want to connect it with Mailchimp form setup. So this is the form already created, and we can create forms from just creating a campaign. When you create a campaign and you select lead generation, it's going to create a form. So in this case, we have actually created a form, and we are just linking the form to the Mailchimp what's called. So the first you do is select lead setup, and you click under search CRM providers. You click and you type Mailchimp. Type Mailchimp. Enter Mailchimp. Oh. Enter Mailchimp. Wow, I'm tired though. Enter Mailchimp. Okay, that is Mailchimp. Click on connect. Click on connect. Click on connect. Connect. Click on connect. Now when you connect, when you click on connect, it's going to redirect you to Mailchimp, where you will be able to, set up, log in your data, your name, my network is bad. Wow. Let me pause this and come back. Now, of course, once you've connected, you are going to allow or authorize Facebook to integrate, uh, to connect with Mailchimp. So just click allow at the bottom. Click allow. Click allow. Whoa. Click allow. Click allow. This will help you connect Facebook with what's it called? Mailchimp. Now, Facebook is connected to Mailchimp, but you have to then set up the lead form. So you under the lead add form, you click on lead add form. Mailchimp is already connected with Facebook is connected with Mailchimp, but you have to click and set up the forms, so that we are going to set up the forms in order for the two forms to meet, the one we set on Mailchimp and the form that we create on Facebook. So click on lead add form. Oh, my internet. Click on lead add form. So you are going to select the Mailchimp form, select the mailing list that you have created on Mailchimp, and you are now going to select the 3 categories that we have created, which is the full name, the phone number, and the email. So under full name, select the corresponding lead form. Click on select the corresponding lead form. Under full name, click on select the corresponding lead form under full name. Wow, no be small matter o. Just click select full name. Under phone number, select phone number. Under email, select email. Under email, select email and click on save form. Click on save form. Good. Once you have clicked on save form, your Facebook lead generation tool on Facebook is actively connected to Mailchimp, and this saves you tons of headache whenever you drive lead generation from Facebook and you are linking it to your Mailchimp. This is how you just get it connected. It's now active and it's working. Now, any campaign you create selecting lead generation, and you are selecting the lead form that we have created with Facebook, you can see that your content will automatically be redirected. The leads that you generate from this campaign will automatically be redirected into your email list on Mailchimp, and you can use your Mailchimp to remarket and create your email marketing services by remarketing to your prospects and build your customer base. So that is most important. This is where we are going to stop. I pray and I say thank you. We'll continue on the next aspect of digital marketing to next week. So thank you and God bless.